Hey everyone, welcome back to our channel. Today I'm going to talk about something which, of course, every day in our life we keep facing this. So, this is a specific feeling which sometimes we go through in our day to day life, which is like when you feel anger towards yourself or for something which you're not able to forgive yourself, right? So, it happens sometimes that for some reason we get upset with ourselves and we start feeling so much of hatred, so much of negativities for our own self, right? And then we start feeling such kind of negativities, we also start expecting a lot of love from outside, from the external world or from somebody else. But we don't realize one thing, that if we don't love ourselves or if we don't accept ourselves the way we are, how can we expect love, acceptance from others? Because as per the science, at the energy level, we are all one, right? So if we don't accept ourselves, we don't love ourselves, then we will not get the same from our external environment. So today I'm going to show you a quick meditation with the help of which you will be able to dilute all the negativities or all the hatred that you might start having some point in time. And this particular meditative mode will help you to also enhance your self-love, give you lots of power to accept how you are. And the moment you start understanding this power, you can utilize this to receive a lot of love from the world itself, because then you become a love magnet, and wherever you will go, you start attracting a lot of love in your life, right? So before I start sharing this wonderful technique, let me just quickly introduce myself. So my name is Mo. I am a law of attraction coach. So we have been coaching a lot of our students, a lot of people, to help them transform their life, transform their emotions, and also pushing them to understand that they can also live in a high vibration all the time if they want to, because they can create their own reality, and we all can in fact create our own reality, right? So let's start talking about this wonderful meditative mode, and it's a very, very quick process with the help of which you will be able to dilute all the negativities or any kind of self-hatred, anger that you're holding towards yourself. The only promise that I want from you is you will have to practice this for at least 20 to 30 days every day, whenever you have time, and you need to do this in front of the mirror. So that's all you need. You don't need to actually sit or close your eyes or play some meditative music, nothing. Just a mirror, you and your focus and concentration will be required to have this wonderful technique. So as I said, this is a wonderful way of how you can find or enhance your self-love. So all that you have to do is, first, wherever you have any mirror in your house, whether it's a full-size mirror or a half mirror, absolutely fine. Just go in front of the mirror, look into your eyes, and the first thing that you need to do here is take a deep breath. No need to close your eyes. Look straight away into your eyes, right? Because if you start concentrating on your face or somewhere else, so your mind get little diverted, and your mind always will become chaotic, right? When you are disturbed, your mind becomes even more chaotic. So just look straight away into your eyes and take a deep breath. So take a deep breath, and then if possible, you need to just smile. Not possible, but you have to smile irrespective of what kind of mental state you're holding. That's absolutely fine. Bring a smile on your face, because the body and the mind has a wonderful synchronization. So in my previous one of my videos, I have clearly explained that how each and every emotions that we have are closely linked with our body and mind, right? So all that you have to do is bring a smile on your face, and then we will start the Ho'oponopono prayer for as much as you want. Maybe right now I'll do it for once, but if you want, you can do it 2, 3, or how many times you want to. This is just to bring your concentration and focus right in yourself, not anywhere else. So let's do the Ho'oponopono prayer together. So just chant with me. I'm sorry. Please forgive me. Thank you. I love you. But while looking straight away into your eyes, you need to do this prayer. Do it once again. Say, I'm sorry. Please forgive me. Thank you. I love you. Third step. Now the meditative mode that you need to start indulging in, with the help of which you will start feeling so much of love inside you for yourself. So now that you are looking into your eyes, you have to just start saying, I am, right? So this is called I am meditative mode, right? So I am word itself, the two words are very, very powerful, right? So I represent you. So what are you, right? So start saying, looking into your eyes straight away into the mirror and say, I am for at least 8 to 10 times. So let's start doing this. I am, I am, I am, I am, I am, I am, I am. Now, as you complete the 7th or the 8th time, you will start realizing that you start getting lot of spontaneous or random words coming to your mind for yourself. For example, when I'm saying I am, I'm getting a word that I am beautiful. So then you start adding this word after I am. And as and when you start getting the words spontaneously, you don't have to write anything, or you don't have to forcibly think what you are. But whatever positive words you will start having, in your mind, at that moment, you start saying them, right? Like while you are looking into the eyes, you start saying I am, and then you add these words. So let's do this once again. We will do I am for 5 times, and then we will start adding all the words that we are getting in our mind for ourselves, like what we are actually, right? So let's do this again. Do it with me. So practice time. Let's say I am, I am, I am, I am, I am. I'm rich, I'm beautiful, I'm happy, I'm blissful, I'm grateful, I'm caring, I'm an action taker, I'm successful, I'm super honest, I'm very nice, I'm happy, I am excited, I am very well, I am healthy, and I am wonderful, right? So you do this for at least 5 to 10 minutes. Start saying I am, and as and when you get the words, you start adding them. So you will see the moment you start recognizing the words, because these are the words which comes directly from your subconscious, right? Here the conscious mind doesn't play any role. It comes directly from your subconscious, and as you start acknowledging your inner power, you will start feeling a wonderful feeling inside you. Like I started getting goosebumps, and you will also start getting goosebumps as well. So as you start saying I am, and then you add the word that you're getting spontaneously, you will see that you feel so wonderful about yourself. All the negativities that you were having for yourself are just getting washed away. And after you do this for 5 to 10 minutes, even if you want to say something negative about yourself, it's my guarantee that you will not be able to even remember any negative words for yourself, right? So use this. This is a wonderful way. First, you need to do is just stand in front of the mirror, look into your eyes, and then you take a deep breath. This is just to center your energy. Do the hope no prayer for 2 times or as much as you want to. This is just to bring your focus right into your present. And the third step is you start saying I am for as much as you want. If you want, you can say for 8, 10, 15, how many times you want to say, you can do this. And as and when, after the 8th or 10th or whatever times you want to say, you will observe that you will be getting certain words coming to your mind spontaneously, that you don't have to put any pressure in your mind to actually add these words after I am. So as and when you start getting this word, you start adding it, and keep smiling and look into your eyes. And then after this exercise, just take a deep breath and relax, and then just surrender. Just don't think anything, but you will see that your mind becomes so calm, you become so grounded, that even if you want to hate yourself, you'll not be able to do that. So that's a wonderful I am meditative mode. If you want, what you can do is you can also record this in your phone, and whenever you are driving or whenever you're doing any kind of work, for example, you're cooking and you want to be in a I am meditative mode, so put your earphones and start listening to it. So you will see that how wonderfully you can actually unleash this self-love inside you. So the moment you start unleashing your self-love, you don't need anybody to actually love yourself, or you don't need any kind of external acceptance, right? And the moment you start having this wonderful bonding between you and your higher self, this will start reflecting in the external environment as well. The people around you will start changing. The relationships in your life will start blossoming and changing. So I definitely want to see some wonderful results from your side, because this is a very powerful and a very simple way how you can unleash your self love. So don't miss to share your experiences while you practice this I am meditative mode, and do this for the next 20 to 30 days, at least for 5 to 10 times, and or whenever throughout the day, whenever you feel like, you can do it for twice, thrice, or you can do it for once as well. But make it a practice, make it a habit that you do it for the next 20 to 30 days. And do share your comments and lovely experiences with me, your results, to let me know how this wonderful way of unleashing your self-love is helping you to get bonded with your higher self, right? So please do like, share, and subscribe our channel. Hit the bell icon, because as you hit the bell icon, you will get notification every time that I'm uploading any specific video that will definitely help you in your spiritual or in your healing world. So don't miss this opportunity. Hit the bell icon and keep practicing, and also start loving and accepting yourself. I will also share some more wonderful ways and tips on self-love in the future. So keep an eye, stay connected with us. So till then, keep loving yourself, keep expressing a lot of love for yourself, and accept yourself by saying I am, and then you just add the adjective that you want for yourself. Till then, take care.